Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with AppScenic Dropshipping Automation, my honest user test and review. AppScenic Dropshipping Automation offers a platform for automating various aspects of dropshipping businesses, primarily targeting entrepreneurs looking to streamline their operations. It promises features like product sourcing, order fulfillment, and inventory management, all from a centralized dashboard. Their website provides details on their different pricing plans and the specific features included in each. They emphasize ease of use and seamless integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. They also highlight their large product catalog and their automated order processing, promising to save users time and effort. AppScenic appears to be positioned as a more affordable and user-friendly alternative to some of the more complex dropshipping automation tools on the market. Availability details and pricing can be found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using AppScenic Dropshipping Automation. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through connecting my Shopify store and setting up my preferences. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard is clean and well organized, making it easy to find what I needed. I tested the product sourcing feature by searching for some trending products in the home decor niche. The results were pretty comprehensive, and I appreciated the filtering options that allowed me to narrow down my search based on price, supplier rating, and shipping times. I then imported a few products to my store and simulated a couple of orders to test the automated fulfillment process. Everything worked seamlessly, the orders were automatically sent to the supplier, and the tracking information was updated in my Shopify store. The performance was generally good, the platform was responsive and reliable during my testing. I did have a quick question about integrating with a specific payment gateway, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy even for someone new to dropshipping automation. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated order fulfillment, which saved me a significant amount of time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would be helpful for managing my store on the go. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for product pricing and markup rules. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with AppScenic Dropshipping Automation. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and offers a solid solution for automating key dropshipping tasks. That's my overview of AppScenic Dropshipping Automation, my honest user test and review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.